This is an official message from the government. A catastrophic biological emergency is currently underway. Aggressive reanimated individuals, commonly referred to as zombies, have been confirmed in multiple locations. These individuals are extremely violent, relentless, and pose an immediate threat to anyone nearby. Infection occurs through bites, scratches, or contact with bodily fluids, and exposure is almost certainly fatal. All residents are ordered to shelter in place immediately. Lock and barricade all doors and windows. Stay silent. Avoid any unnecessary movement or noise that could attract attention. Do not attempt to engage, confront, or assist infected individuals under any circumstances. Travel is strictly forbidden unless explicitly directed by authorities. Roads may be blocked, and emergency services may be unable to respond to calls. Those who leave safe locations risk death. Military, law enforcement, and medical units are being deployed, but containment is not guaranteed. Certain areas may become completely inaccessible, and evacuation may be impossible. Follow all official instructions without hesitation. Failure to comply will likely result in death. Remain alert. Monitor official government and emergency broadcasts continuously. Your survival depends entirely on following these instructions. Further updates will be provided as information becomes available.